So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is first thing Saturday morning. I'd say that it's bright and early, but it's really not too bright yet. Kind of overcast, but I think later today it's supposed to be pretty nice. Now anyway, if you've been following our channel for a while, you know that Melissa has been wanting a swimming pool like forever. And I got some really good news to report today. We're not getting one. Our neighbors are. That's even better if you ask me. But anyway, we're going to go over there today, and we got a whole bunch of trees to clear because they're going to start building a pool there. Maybe even next week, something like that. They're going to be coming pretty quick, so we have a lot of work to do. So I have a Bobcat E50 excavator sitting over there. Bobcat of Pittsburgh delivered it yesterday. And so we're going to head over there and start knocking some trees down for just a couple hours. And then I got to come back and hang out with Hunter for just a little bit. And then I'll go back out, you know, around lunchtime, and we'll see if we can get it all done today. I don't know if we'll get it all done today, but by the end of the weekend we will. All right, we'll warm this thing up. Like I said, this is a Bobcat E50. Something else I want to do. Always under here's a valve to switch it to cat controls. It's a little wet, so I'm trying not to tear up the yard. We're going to be working on the other side of the yard, so I don't want to turn very much going across here, as little as possible. So all these trees in here need to go. These ones, everything over in there. There's probably 25 of them or something. We'll see. I was planning on just cutting them down and grinding the stumps later. They're going to be building some stuff here, and we figured we'd just get them all out of there. So what I'm going to do first is make me a path back through here, start piling the brush, and then this summer sometime, you know, when everything's green, we can burn that and all the stumps. But I'm going to make me a path right through here now and start knocking them down. bit off more than I could chew here today. I've been busy almost all day long over here, and we had a heck of a time getting this fire started, but it's finally going now. That's half the battle right there, is getting the fire going. Once you get your fire going, this stuff goes away pretty quick. But so far today, we took down about, I don't know, 25 trees, something like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. We've got firewood laying everywhere. I'm not going to take down any more trees tonight. I'm just going to kind of get organized here a little bit. Let's make a pile. Fire's getting pretty hot. You don't like to hang out over top of it for too long, so you just kind of fling them on there. Well, the sun's going down and the fire's getting hotter. I don't know if that's good or bad. I didn't get a chance to film a whole bunch today. We were really busy. We took down about 35 trees and stumps, and some of those maple trees. There's just so many limbs, but we're getting it cleaned up. I'm hoping to be wrapped up here by like noon tomorrow. That would be good. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.